Why does salty food make you thirsty? Hi, welcome to Curious Kids Every Day. I'm Josh. How are you doing today? It's so good to hear from you. Hey, have you ever been eating something and all of a sudden you got really thirsty? Well, if that ever happened to you, there's a good chance that the thing you were eating was something salty. Maybe it was potato chips or French fries, just something with a lot of salt in it or on it. The next time that happens to you, the next time you're eating and you get really thirsty, you can ask your parents, does this food have a lot of salt in it? It just might. I was thinking about this today because I got a question from a kid in the Curious Kids Club named Leander. Leander was curious.
How does salty food make you thirsty?
Your body is constantly trying to keep the right balance of water and salt inside of it. See, your blood, your cells, the fluids throughout your body, they all contain water and small amounts of salt. And your body works best when the balance is just right. So, what happens when you eat something really salty? All right, well, let's imagine that you eat a big handful of salty potato chips. Can you imagine that? When you swallow those chips, the salt gets absorbed into your body. So now there's more salt in your bloodstream than there was before. And your body notices this almost immediately. And inside your brain are special cells that help monitor how much water and salt are in your body at any given moment. When those cells detect the amount of salt has increased, they send a message. And that message is, hey, we need more water! That's when you start feeling thirsty. So the thirst is actually your brain telling you that your body needs more water to help restore the balance between water and salt. Okay, but you might be wondering, why does your body need salt in the first place? Well, salt is actually a very important part of your body. One of the main parts of salt is a mineral called sodium. Can you say sodium? Your body uses sodium to help control how much water stays inside and outside of your cells. Sodium also helps your nerves send messages and helps your muscles move. So every time you run or jump or smile or blink or every time your heart beats, sodium is helping those signals travel through your body. The tricky part is that your body needs a very specific amount of sodium. Too little sodium or too much sodium, they can make it harder for your systems to do their job. For example, if sodium levels get too low, you might feel tired or dizzy or even sick. This is also why people sometimes drink electrolyte drinks after exercising. I know I have to do that. See, when you sweat, your body loses water, but it also loses some sodium and other electrolytes. For most normal activities, drinking water and eating regular meals, that's enough to replace what you've lost. But after a long workout or spending a lot of time outside on a hot day, basically anything where you're sweating a lot, well, your body may need both water and electrolytes to restore its normal balance. And here's something else cool. Your kidneys help you keep the right balance of water and salt in your body. See, the kidneys are organs that filter your blood. As they work, they can remove extra salt from your body through urine. but they need enough water to do that job well. So everything your body does is trying to keep you in balance. Isn't that amazing? Okay, let's have a quick quiz. What feeling does your brain create when your body needs more water? It makes you thirsty. And which organs help remove extra salt from your body? That would be the kidneys. Let's play true or false. True or false? Your body tries to keep a balance between water and salt. Yep, that's true. True or false? Salty foods add water to your bloodstream. No, that's false. True or false? Your brain helps detect changes in the amount of salt in your body. That is true. True or false? Drinking water helps restore the balance between water and salt. That is true. Would you rather be able to sweat on command or be able to hydrate yourself without drinking water? I think that I would miss drinking water if I could just hydrate myself without it. So I don't think I'm going to pick that one. I guess I would choose to be able to sweat on command. That sounds like an interesting talent. All right, I've got a couple of rounds of What Am I for you today. Are you ready? What am I? I'm found throughout your body. I carry oxygen and nutrients. And I flow through your veins. What am I? I am blood. All right, here's one more. What am I? I work like a filter. I help remove waste from your body. And I help control salt and water levels. What am I? I am the kidneys. Salty foods make you thirsty because your body is always balancing water and salt. When you eat something salty, your brain detects that extra salt content and creates the feeling of thirst. Isn't that amazing? Drinking water helps restore the balance, and your kidneys also help by removing extra salt from your body. You know, this is one of those episodes where I thought the answer was going to just be something like, salt makes your mouth dry and that's why you get thirsty. But it was actually way cooler than that. That feeling of thirst that you get from your brain is just your body doing what it does best, trying to keep you nice and balanced and healthy. So cool. What kind of question do you think we'll ask tomorrow on Curious Kids Every Day? I can't wait to find out. So until then, keep asking questions and stay curious, kids. And we've got some birthdays today. Happy birthday to Ian from Mississippi, who is turning 2. Happy birthday, Ian. Clive from Alaska is turning 6. Happy birthday, Clive. Mila from Texas is turning 6. Happy birthday, Mila. Lila from Florida is turning 2. Happy birthday, Lila. Henry from Texas is turning 6. Happy birthday, Henry. Amari from California is turning 5. Happy birthday, Amari. Levi from Oklahoma is turning 5. Happy birthday, Levi. Fern from Pennsylvania is turning 2. Happy birthday, Fern. Kiwi from Port Moody, British Columbia is turning 4. Happy birthday, Kiwi. Isaac from California is turning 6. Happy birthday, Isaac. And Margot from Texas is turning 9. Happy birthday, Margot. To all the grown-ups listening, if your curious kid wants their birthday mentioned on the show, please visit supportcuriouskids.com and join the Curious Kids Club. That's supportcuriouskids.com. See you tomorrow.